have lifted the car and it's now sitting on the jack stands. So we are under the car right now. Here's the drain bolt. This is the hex socket that we need for it. So we have loosened the bolt and now the oil has started flowing. You can see it dripping. We need to completely undo this for it to flow properly. Just when it's about to get undone, make sure you hold the bolt so that it does not fall into the oil pan with all the oil. And there's the old oil dripping came out of our car. It's completely fine, it's not burnt, it's not black, it still has that brown color, and there's no discrepancy in the consistency of the oil, so we know that the engine is quite healthy. So this is the drain plug that lets us drain all the oil. Now, as per regulations, you need to change this washer every time you open this, because this is basically a crush washer which gets stretched upon tightening to make a perfect seal. So let me just replace this and get back to you. So we have replaced the washer. Once the oil is finished draining, we'll put in this nut bolt and we'll fill up the oil. So the oil is almost like finished draining. We'll put in the drain plug with the new washer in and we'll screw it in.